See them girls are wait for go up. See them two ladies they are wait for go up. I gotta get the other one.
Okay. And we are going to go up, get the other one. Over that door. And
Careful.
and no why I'm wearing the mask. I'm helping go up.
Do you
See something? We got two
pick them and go crazy? Them get feed already.
Yeah.
Go.
And we don't know why they are draining.
Probably them want water or something.
We don't want to take water by you.
Alright.
Oh, sniff me.
What?
Sniff me.
Him sniff you? Alright.
There's some baby pig right been like.
Christian,
Huh?
I don't know where the goat is. I hear him not too long, but I don't know where I'm there. Dead almonds tree. Which dead almonds tree?
The one what house is gray. The dead one.
Which one? I don't know any dead almonds tree down here.
You have to come my
I did, but the phone cut off.
Oh.
Wonder if over there, so.
Meh.
Tall bush. Wonder if around this. And it's a tall bush with the dead almonds tree there. But I don't know if not almonds tree did around here, so.
It has nuts on it. The one what go create.
Come. You're coming around the house. See him around this, so.
And go and get to me. I'll go be right here. So.
You want to hold the camera?
Oh.
I'm going to switch it on you so you can talk.
And now get my.
Okay.
No, my mother is wearing my mother is going for the goat. What?
You go and can live stream.
Huh?
You alone cannot live stream, and just remember. Soon come. Come here, let me show you something. Be careful. You see these? They can't use them on make jewelry. They're beads.
They're beads.
Yeah. You can't use them on make necklaces. You want to make a bracelet or something with them? Here. You have pocket? Alright, just pick up some. I want to go up and make something with them.
Okay, what are we going to make with?
I don't know. Hold these. I don't have any pockets.
Oh, why do you then use the pocket shot?
Just pick up the branch. See? Just pick up the branch. So it's easier to carry. Some more over here, so.
You're going to make one ring out of them.
Here we go.
Glue them.
Whoa.
And make one necklace too.
You tie up, man.
Huh? You can tie up.
I don't even know which part him tie.
Just follow the rope. Follow him rope.
Later, come now. I am.
Even I don't know why.
Here, hold the phone. Just put it down and hold it for me. Please? You're blocking the camera. Hold it like that.
Okay. Gosh, one person is on my video.
Say hello.
Hello. This goat is really tie up, and then they are walk in the bush. and then they'll cough.
When what?
The goat is coughing. And now he's dragging me down. He's dragging somebody. Oh, 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 whoa, 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 oh, oh, what just?
What? What is that?
I'm hearing something.
It's a bug.
A bug? Oh, I don't like them. I don't want them. I don't want this. Ah! Look at him. Look at the bees.
What? A bee is a throw?
Mm-hmm.
Christian, a bee is that for throw?
Open.
Careful.
Ah!
You know, but I want the beads. You want the beads?
Mm-hmm. You can have it. I don't want bees at me.
It's not bees. They're gone.
Yes, me no. Wait, is that the kid?
What?
They are down here.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I'm coming for the camera. Oh gosh, nobody is on my video.
They're gone? Okay, go.
And now we are going to go get those goats. I carry them back up, that's all.
Alright, get the kid.
I'm gonna get the baby one.
Okay.
Is this a trench?
Yeah. Jump over it. Grab the kid. Don't make them go away.
Oh, oh, I can't. I can't. Ow, 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 ow,
Come, up here, mosquito. Just let him go. Let her go. Let her go. Make she run behind her mother. Go on. Let him go. Christian, you're going to get tied up in the ropes. Let go do something now. That one will want to go home. Ma, pull me.
is it baby from her mother?
Hmm?
Is the baby is from her mother?
Yeah.
Mother,
Yeah, they must stick together.
mother. Are the horses doctor? Oh!
We only have 3 left.
Huh?
We only have 3 left. We sold the other ones. Come on, Fatty. What's wrong?
I want two.
What?
Oh,
We have 2 pigs left.
gosh.
What?
Let's put the actual number again.
Yeah.
We're going on to him.
Be careful with the ropes. Okay?
Okay. Because that's not doing bad. Just like can just go up here. And there, that kid there.
Boy.
Just went up.
I'm tired. Yeah, cut your patwa though.
Huh?
Yeah, cut your patwa.
What? Go, 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 go. I'm coming with you. Oh my gosh. What's other mean?
Alright, me have to go end this and lock up the pen. Me have to go lock your pen. Hold the rope then.
We'll go there. I have to lock up the pen.
Yeah.
What in the goat?
Shoo!
What are you doing?
Now try and get him off of this. Her.